There's two ways you can make your website. You can either use the AI creation tools right here, which I'll show you right now, or you can do a pre-made template, which I'm going to show you in just a minute. I think it's really important to see both before you make your decision here. So starting off with the AI tools, what kind of website are we making? Maybe I'm going to be like a local store that also wants to sell some things online, maybe like a coffee shop. Let's just say I'm a coffee shop and I sell some coffee beans online as well. So I'm going to say online store is probably a good start for this one, or maybe a restaurant. We'll say, let's go with restaurant for now, and we'll have an online store feature added later. The brand name, I'm going to say Santrel Coffee, Santrel Coffee Co., and then we can enter our description of the website. Additionally, you can click on personalization settings and you could say maybe your color palette. So if you already have your logo, for example, you can choose the accent color right here. And I highly recommend, if you haven't already done so, maybe you make your logo on Canva, for example, or anywhere else, I recommend getting the hex color code so you're not just sliding around guessing what your color is. But for the purposes of this video, let's just say we want maybe a brownish color. I'm going to copy this and save that color right there. So that's our accent color. So maybe that's my color palette right there. And I can say create the website. All right, so here we are. This is the website that Hostinger made for us. You can see we have a little video in the background, local roasted coffee, the name of it up top. We've got a home page, a menu page. We can click through these, by the way. A menu page looks, actually, I like this menu page quite a bit. That looks really good. An about page, yeah, look at that. Shows like location, some basic things like that. The home page, again, going back to that, some reviews down there, services, contact us. Yeah, this looks really good. This is a really good start. We can also check out the mobile site, and that, again, looks very similar. Also really good. I'm very impressed with this. I think this is really good, and I'm very tempted to just click edit site, but I want to show you something else really quick. If we go back to AI form, we can also go to pre-made templates. So instead of that, you can go to pre-made templates here, like I said, and choose from a lot of other ones that were already pre-designed. And all you really have to do then is look at, what you like, swap out the text, swap out the images, and maybe change the colors. And it could be an easier way for some people to get a slightly different feel on your website. So if you really like this one, for example, like at the very least, it's worth checking out these templates. So for this website, I'm going to start with, let's look for anything related to coffee, any kind of coffee website here. It looks like this one looks really good. A cafe looks pretty good as well. All right, so it doesn't matter which one you choose, either the AI website builder or the templates. And by the way, if you ever wanted to go back, templates, you could just click this button right here. No matter which one you choose, the rest of this video is going to be the same. This is really just the starting point. I'm going to go with this one right here. I'm going to select this template, just click on select template, and that is going to create that as our website.